Ever wondered what the biggest earthquake ever truly means? It's more than just shaking ground. Imagine entire coastlines lifting, oceans transforming into towering walls of water, and shockwaves reverberating across the entire planet. Today, we're embarking on an educational journey to explore the 5 largest earthquakes ever recorded, based on the U.S. Geological Survey's ranking. This isn't just history. It's a vital lesson in understanding our dynamic Earth and preparing for its powerful forces. Before we dive into these colossal events, let's clarify something crucial. These earthquakes are ranked by their magnitude, which is a scientific measure of the energy released at the source. It's not about the death toll. A smaller earthquake can tragically be far deadlier depending on its location, the quality of local building standards, and whether it triggers a devastating tsunami. Understanding this distinction is key to effective disaster preparedness. Our countdown begins with the 1952 Kamchatka earthquake, a staggering magnitude 9.0 event off Russia's Far East. This was one of the earliest recorded megaquakes of such immense size, providing invaluable data for seismologists. It occurred in a classic subduction zone, where one tectonic plate dives beneath another, releasing colossal amounts of stored energy. This powerful quake generated a Pacific-wide tsunami, demonstrating how seismic events can have global reach. Waves traveled outward across the vast ocean basin, impacting distant locations. Even far away, places like Hawaii experienced significant impacts, highlighting the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. This event taught us that big quakes don't just hit one country, they can weaponize the ocean itself. Next, we revisit the 2011 Tohoku earthquake off Japan's northeast coast of Honshu, a magnitude 9.1 event. While the ground shaking was catastrophic, it was the ensuing tsunami that captured global attention and became the defining feature of this disaster. Towering waves rushed inland, overwhelming robust seawalls and tragically destroying entire communities. This disaster also triggered the Fukushima nuclear crisis, transforming a natural catastrophe into a complex technological and humanitarian emergency. Tohoku serves as a brutal reminder for students and preparedness experts. In coastal megaquakes, the most dangerous part may arrive long after the initial shaking stops. It underscores the need for multi-hazard planning. At number 3 is the 2004 Sumatra Andaman earthquake, also a magnitude 9.1, which unleashed one of the deadliest tsunamis in human history. The rupture stretched an enormous distance along the plate boundary, displacing massive volumes of seawater. This immense energy transfer set in motion a devastating tsunami. The resulting tsunami struck coastlines across the entire Indian Ocean, causing widespread devastation. It tragically impacted communities in multiple countries and led to an estimated 230,000 or more deaths. This wasn't just a regional disaster. It profoundly reshaped global tsunami warning systems and international disaster response protocols, emphasizing the need for rapid communication. Coming in at number 2 is the 1964 Great Alaska Earthquake, a magnitude 9.2 event and the largest ever recorded in U.S. history. This quake dramatically altered the landscape in profound ways. Parts of the coastline were uplifted by several feet, while other areas subsided, permanently changing shorelines and ecosystems. The intense shaking triggered widespread landslides and generated local tsunamis that devastated coastal towns, ports, and critical infrastructure. Imagine the ground itself being rewritten, coastlines moved, harbors altered, and entire neighborhoods sliding away. This event taught us about the diverse and complex geological hazards associated with megaquakes. And finally, the largest earthquake ever recorded, the 1960 Valdivia earthquake in Chile, a staggering magnitude 9.5. This megaquake ruptured an immense section of Chile's subduction zone, releasing an unimaginable amount of energy. It generated a tsunami that didn't stop at Chile's shores. This colossal tsunami propagated across the entire Pacific Ocean, affecting distant coastlines including Hawaii and Japan hours later. The 1960 Chile quake stands as the ultimate benchmark for how big Earth can go. It's a powerful reminder that our planet stores energy on a scale that is truly hard to grasp, demanding our respect and understanding. So, there you have it, The top 5 largest recorded earthquakes: Chile, 1960, Alaska, 1964, Sumatra, 2004, Japan, 2011, and Kamchatka, 1952. Notice a pattern? Most occurred along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where tectonic plates actively collide. These events are not just historical footnotes. They are critical case studies for understanding plate tectonics, seismic hazards, and the importance of preparedness. As students and future leaders, understanding these powerful natural phenomena is essential. Learn about the risks in your area, develop a family emergency plan, and know how to respond to warnings. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. By educating ourselves and preparing our communities, we can transform these lessons from history into blueprints for a safer, more resilient future.